Through On Lincolnshire's Louth Technology Hub, in association with the University of Lincoln, there is access to professional movement analysis using ultra-high-speed HD cameras capable of up to 18,000 frames per second, with additional 3D TV capabilities. The equipment comes with a technician and/or biomechanical consultant providing professional technique analysis in a range of sporting motions. It can also be used for industrial purposes, for fault finding of high-speed machinery, and also for artistic and media purposes. We also have two very powerful LED lighting systems, which all is completely mobile. This can be linked up through a very high-speed processing laptop to a 3D TV, 55-inch LCD, which is 3D ready. The applications of this technology are as vast as you can think, essentially. Anything you think of outside the box is what we can capture and slow down, be it golf or a sport, industrial or artistic purposes. The golf drive is one of the fastest sporting movements, with clubhouse velocities reaching about 100 miles per hour. With this footage here, we've captured of a novice at 5,000 frames per second. If you look at it in slow motion, you can see prior to contact, there's a bit of shakiness with the club head. You can see it hooks in the corner. So where you want to be hitting it is on the sweet spot. There he's missing it. This is causing rotation of the club head following impact. If we then compare this to a Category 1 golfer who's a single handicapper who plays off about a 5, you can see here prior to impact, completely straight alignment. At 5,000 frames he's moving a little bit too fast for us, so this guy is actually striking about 90 miles per hour. As you can see, ball contact hits right in the sweet spot. The club doesn't move, it remains perpendicular throughout the strike and the follow through. What's quite interesting at this speed, if you can see this rippling effect at impact, this is actually sound waves coming off. So this made a hell of a racket when he hit the ball. So this takes us down to a level that coaches can't assess for us because they're visually seeing what is happening at ball contact. This piece of footage was obtained with Superstar Components Limited, who are a local custom bike manufacturer. Essentially, they wanted us to have footage for media promotion on their website. This is their CNC milling machine, so this is creating bike components. We've slowed it down to 2,530 frames per second. As you can see here, we've got the LED lighting to show the chips coming through the field of focus. So this is obviously very good for media purposes and promotional purposes to show that they have this equipment, and it looks really good as well. However, this can be used for fault finding. If we can take an industrial machine which is moving at very, very fast speeds, we can essentially film it, slow it down, and this makes it possible for an engineer to see the correct sequencing of events or if a component's doing what it should be doing. Should you want to make use of any of the equipment through the hub, you can contact us on 01522 886 680, or alternatively email us on fmalloy@lincoln.ac.uk. Through On Lincolnshire, there are also 12 hours of business support available for free. Just call the free phone number 0300 8080 120.